Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ishneet Kaur and I am a professional makeup artist. Today's video is going to be really interesting, alright you guys. Today is a review video on this really viral product. I mean, you must have for sure seen it everywhere. It is the Sanfe Eyebrow and Facial Waxing Pen. So I have some thoughts about it. Let's get into it. So if you can see, it has a rotator inside and this is how you will dispense the product. So you rotate this below and that's how you will dispense the product. Actually the wax is warm, so it's not coming out now, but this is how you will usually dispense the product. So the heating time of this, honestly in my experience, I think you have to keep it for at least 15 minutes and you cannot remove it in like semi boiling water. You need the water to be like boiling hot and then you will have to remove it. I feel like when you remove it with a spoon or something, it will be easier for you because the pen, it does get hot, all right? So you need to be careful and you need to leave it at least for 30 seconds for it to like cool down a little so you can use the wax. So as you can see, I have some hair on my chin. So first we're going to see how this product performs here. You need to heat the wax properly. This is my first attempt in which nothing came out because I mean the wax wasn't hot enough. Like I mentioned, you need to boil it properly. This is my second attempt after reheating the wax again properly and it does remove the hair, even coarse hair. So that is good and I'm just going to finish up quickly. Now I'm going to test this on my upper lip. To be honest, you do have to work in very small sections. You can't apply the wax entirely because when you first apply it on your skin, it leaves like a little blob of wax because the tip isn't like flat enough like a spatula. So you can't spread it evenly. So it just leaves a blob of it. So you have to work in sections. So it's a little time consuming is what I mean, and this makes it tricky to get an even layer. I would have rather found it convenient if it would have spread evenly and it would have worked a little bit faster to remove the hair. So once you've removed this from boiling water, what I noticed is that you have to work with it a little quicker because the wax does tend to like cool down immediately. So basically I'll give you a time span. Once I was done with my chin, I had to go and reheat the wax because it was not hot anymore, and then I had to work on my upper lip. But this could be like a hassle, right? Do your chin, go reheat it, upper lip, go reheat it, then do your eyebrows. Speaking of eyebrows, I have not tested this product on my eyebrows and I don't plan to, is because I mean if it was like shape or something like, or probably a smaller piece or something, or if you have the patience to like cut it, then I'd suggest then try it. But I'm not taking a chance with my eyebrows with this product. So I have not tested it on my eyebrows. Like it's too big a piece to even like, what if the wax goes on my lashes or if it goes somewhere else and something else gets plucked out? Not happening. So let's start by talking about what all you get in this. You get one pen, the wax pen, and you get 10 strips of wax. Alright, so now from my experience, personal experience, I feel like you can use it probably 2 to 3 times and like before you run out. And I'm guessing you'll run out of wax strips before you run out of the wax. That's my assumption. And this is priced for $326, which if you go to see your one-time cost at a salon would be a little lesser, but if you go 2-3 times it will be more. So I guess cost effective also. But I think the only time I will consider using it is when I think probably if I'm traveling and if I'm not sure where the salon is or something like that, so I might just keep it as an emergency, or probably if I'm not in the mood to use a face razor or something like that, then I will keep this handy with me. But apart from that, I don't think so. If I'm here only in the same city, and so the salon is just like 10 minutes away from my place, so I prefer going there, and I prefer threading over even waxing my face in general. One more thing I'd like to recommend you: when you're using the wax pen, just make sure to keep a wet towel handy, because it might tend to get a little sticky and you will need something to wipe your hands with. Also, wherever you're using the wax, generally you need to like clean it up with a wet towel, and don't forget to apply aloe vera gel. That will calm your skin down as well. Alright, you guys, that's my take on the Sanfe Wax Pen. I hope you guys found this review helpful. If you all did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like watching such content, and I'll see you in my next one.